Hello students, today we will see logarithmic tables. How the complicated calculations become simple using log tables. So whenever we are using the log tables, first of all we will see the rules for the log tables. Now if the calculations they are complicated, if the complicated multiplication is there, so this complicated multiplication converts into the addition. If complicated division is there, it converts into the subtraction. So what is the rule? First rule, log of A into B converts into the addition, that is log A plus log B. So instead of multiplying, we are adding the two quantities. Another, the log of A upon B, that is the division. It is equal to log A minus log B. So this division converts into the subtraction. And log of A to the power n, where n is the integer, it is n times of log A. So these are three basic rules we are using while solving the logarithmic tables or while solving the log problems. Now whenever we want to see the log, the way of observing the log, it depends upon the two things. One is the characteristic and dot, and other is the mantissa part. Right? The log depends upon characteristic and mantissa. Now we are watching the logs, all the logs to the base 10. Right. So in detail it is not necessary to study. Only thing is that we are watching the log to the base 10. So if you want to see the log of any number, and starting from the second number, the log of 3426.0. So first we will see its characteristic, then we will keep the dot, and then we will see the mantissa part. So the 3426.0, we will count the number of digits before the decimal place. So there are 4 digits, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So characteristic is 1 less to the total number of digits. Right. Here we will consider the quantities of the log which are greater than 1 and which are less than 1 as well. Right? So all these quantities, first few quantities those quantities, the numbers which are greater than 1. So this is 3426. The rule is that the characteristic is 1 less to the total number of digits before the decimal. So count the number of digits. There are 4 digits. So characteristic is 1 less, that is 3. And then place the decimal. So 3 point. And then forget the decimal of this number. So number becomes 3426. So if you open the log, now see this number, I am opening the log table. If you open the log, what you are observing? The first table, it starts from the 2 digits, 10, 11, 12, so on up to 99. The first column contains 2 digits and 10 to 99. And in next column, it is 0 to 9, and this is the mean difference column. Right. So again come to the problem. We want to see the log of 3426. So from left hand side, the 2 digits from left hand side should be seen in the first column. And next digit, that is third digit, should be seen in the next corresponding column. And fourth digit is for the mean difference. So the number is 34 in second column and add the mean difference of 6. Mean difference is always to be added. So 34 in second column and see the mean difference of 6. So come back to the logs. 34 in second column and mean difference of 6. See the 34, this is 34. 34 in second column. 34 in second column, it is 0, 1 and 2. This is 5340. And mean difference of 6. So continue this row and mean difference of 6 is 8. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So mean difference of 6 is 8. So 5340 plus 8 is 5348. So your log of 3426.0 is 3.5348. This is the log, right? Similarly, I am shifting the decimal by one place gradually. So the number becomes 342.6. Okay. So first is the characteristic. What will be the characteristic? What is the rule? When the number is greater than 1, you count the number of digits before the decimal. So here are 3 digits, so characteristic will be 2. And then introduce the decimal. And then forget about this decimal. So your number becomes 3226. Okay. So again the way is same, 32 in second column and add the mean difference of 6. It is the same number. So the Mentissa part is the same, 5348. So the log of 342.6 is 2.5348. What is the difference between the two? The number of digits in this number are 4 and here the number of digits before the decimal point is 3. So characteristic is 3 in this case where the 4 are the number of digits and here the characteristic is 2. Mentissa part will be the same because the number is not changed. Now again in third case, I am shifting the decimal by one place. So the number is 34.26. So 34.26, count the number of digits before the decimal. So 2 digits are there. So characteristic is 1 less to the number of digits. So it is 1. Introduce the decimal and then forget about this decimal. So your number becomes again 3426. So 3426 is the Mentissa part will be 34 in second column is 5340 and mean difference of 6 is 8. So the number is 1.5348. Gradually the decimal is shifted by one place. So this is 3 now the number is 3.426 and we want to see its log. So characteristic will be 1 minus 1 is 0. Point Mentissa is 3426. So Mentissa part is 34 in second column. Mean difference of 6 is coming 5348. So all these quantities, they are greater than 1. Now I add one more quantity if we want to see the log of 5-digit number. 34264. So there are the limitations while watching the log of more than 4 digits. The difference little bit you can say approximation is that first we will see the characteristic. The characteristic will be 1 less to the number of digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit is there. So characteristic is 4. But while watching the Mentissa part we can watch up to the 4 digits only. So here 4 digits are 3426. 3426. So this 4 will be neglected. So if 4 is last fifth digit is greater than 5, then you add 1 to the last but one digit, and if it is less than 5, you will neglect it. So this is the approximation. So your number is become 3426, and but the characteristic it depends upon the 5 digit. So characteristic is 4 and 0.5348. So in this way we can see the logs of any number which is greater than 1. So what is the rule of the logs of greater than 1? That we will see first the characteristic. So characteristic is you have to count the number of digits before the decimal place and subtract 1 will be the characteristic. Then introduce the decimal and then we will continue to see the Mentissa part. So once the decimal is introduced, so no need to concentrate on the decimals. Only see the number from the left side. So first 2 digits in the first column, next digit, and this is the fourth digit is of the mean difference. Okay. Now in next video we will see how to see the antilogs. Thank you.